Now it's on.
Hello, so today me and Deke are going to go and see if there's actually a American car show on local to us, so we're going to go and poke our head in down there.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, and hopefully they'll still be there because we're a little bit late by about an hour, so, but hopefully it's given everybody time to turn up. We'll be able to go and have a look around and see some cool American cars, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is there an American flag with Mr. on it?
To show you where the American cars are. Hello. We're walking around. Deke's being my cameraman for today.
Yeah!
That's well good, isn't it?
That's old fashioned. Look at that!
That is wicked, isn't it? Yeah.
A Dorian Morgan. Look at that beautiful black one.
good.
Oh my god, that looks like a vampire. Look at them.
Yeah. It's an AC Cobra.
Looks like a vampire.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, it is. It looks like a vampire. Oh my god, it looks like a vampire.
Yeah.
On the outside, like front, and that has like a big.
There's another blue one over there, look. Look.
Look at that.
Hey, look.
Oh my god. Those are spinny ones.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it?
But it stops at a certain point when it turns, because it only turns like fully sideways and then it goes back.
Resto Mod 4 Speedster.
Yeah. Come in. Can you hear his exhaust from all the way over there?
Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it?
I think he's waiting for those people to move.
Hot rod.
Go in.
there's one more thing I gotta say.
Right, so we're back now. Deacon's had to shoot in to the house real quick. Nature calls. But no, that was an absolutely brilliant day. What an awesome way to spend a Sunday. That was just absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I'd just like to say thank you to the show guys and the organisers and everything like that. It's absolutely brilliant. I will put a link in the video below. I hope you guys enjoyed walking around that with us on camera just as much as we did. It was an absolutely wicked day. Lovely to see some of that proper old American iron and some of the rare British and Jap cars and all sorts of stuff that was there. It was absolutely wicked. I can't stop smiling. So yeah, if you did like that video, hit a like and subscribe underneath. The subscribe will keep you up to date with everything else that we're doing, and because we are trying to do as many adventures like that as we possibly can through the summer, like with work and cost permitting and everything like that. But yeah, let us know what you think. Let us know what your favourite car was. Thanks guys, I shall see you in the next video, and stay tuned.